welcome you back to the Scholz Sports Center in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Bryan, Scholz, and Brennan Kinnard with you until this one finishes, and it might not finish after one overtime. It is still a three-point game. Warhawks lead at 76-73. Oshkosh forces it into OT with a three-pointer from Greg Shrimp with just seconds on the clock. It's now a very similar situation, 28.7 seconds remaining in the game. Shot clock turned off. Who do you go to if you're Oshkosh and you take the last shot?
Well, why not Shrimp again? That's what I have to say. I mean, you know, the guy showed he's cold-blooded with that first one there, even though he's been struggling throughout this game. You got to give it to him again.
They inbound it, and Shrimp will take it up the floor for Oshkosh. 23 seconds left. Shrimp pulls up from a long-range three. That is in! Off the glass! Gets a little kiss from the top of the arc.
Greg Shrimp, are you kidding me right now? Unbelievable.
Took it earlier than later. Still 18.4 seconds on the clock. But we're tied once again from Culp, 76 all. And I cannot believe what I'm watching.
I cannot either.
Loras trying to mount some kind of counterattack. Far side, dribbling into the box, trying to make a move toward midfield. It's taken away by Cheney. Prideaux and Cole working the ball far side. Now Cheney will try to clear it. It deflects off a Loras midfielder over the touchline far side. Be a throw-in for the Titans. Remember, this is one game of two to be broadcasted tonight. Following this game, about a 40-minute break in between, will be the UW-Whitewater Warhawks, also of Wisconsin, and the Calvin College Knights of Michigan. There's a beautiful through ball that goes just too far in front for Loras to execute. James Pike, very aware, comes up, makes the stop, and gets it away quickly.
It's a nice chance there by Loras. Just out of the reach of McCord, who was streaking to the goal. Good aggressive keeping there by James Pike.
Brian Miller, Gillian far side, shot on goal is in the back of the net, and the Titans score in the opening minutes of the first half. It is Devin Prideaux. And it's 1-0 Titans on a quick counterattack coming. A beautiful pass. Excellent execution by Oshkosh, and they take a 1-0 lead. We'll bring you the broadcast of both games tomorrow as well. The doubleheader starting at noon between the Yellow Jackets and the Titans, right here from Titan State, or Tiedemann Field, right next to Titan Stadium. Bursick, the 0-2 pitch. Beatty, check swing as the ball was high at his face. Sometimes as a batter, to fend off those high pitches that are right in your grill, you got to swing through it. Beatty did not make that mistake. Bursick the pitch. Swung on, driven, deep to right center. Will the wind carry this out of here? Looking up at the wall is Marshall, and it is gone! A home run for Doug Beatty. Just barely getting over the wall in right center. Marshall lost it in the sun. He slipped on the track out there, but Beatty extends the Titans' lead 4-0.